My name is Duvon McGuire, and I'm president of New Life International.
My name is Stephen Uhde. I am the training director and field operations director for New Life International in Underwood, Indiana, the U.S. campus.
My name is Nathanael Coyle, and I'm a controls engineer here at New Life International.
New Life International is a ministry that is more than a ministry. It is a business that is more than a business.
They developed a campus in southern Indiana, but from there, Duvon, their son, oldest son, developed a water purification system that has now reached into 85 countries over the last 25 years.
So most of our work has focused on how to deal with the biologicals, the viral things, the fungi, the yeast type things, those type of contaminants.
Water is life. I've been told that by people around the world. Water is life, and we in the United States tend to take it for granted because it's so ample, so plentiful, so readily available and affordable. It's not that way in the rest of the world.
There's water availability, and that's very important. There's water cleanliness, does it look clean? But then ultimately, at the highest level, is the water safe? Is it free from chemical contaminants? And is it free from biological contaminants? And so up to recently, we've just focused on the biological contaminants. But now some things have come into play that we have some insights into how to go to that next level of actually removing dissolved solids from water that cannot possibly be filtered out.
Currently, today, we've started with DC power with our DC batteries, with our water purification systems. Today, with our hypochlorous systems, we have control boxes that automate the pumps and electrolysis. And then from that, as we're moving forward and currently working on, we're making plants to increase production for our hypochlorous. And so that looks like, putting in PLCs from Phoenix Contact, power supplies, building control cabinets, and, having touch screens so we can, control, levels in tanks, monitor those, conveyor systems, and move the product around, fill bottles, and get those packaged and shipped out.
You automate for the 3 Ds. Those things that are dirty, those things that are dangerous, and those things that are dull. So you automate the things that fall into those 3 categories. And in this particular case, it's not dirty, it's not dangerous, but it can be pretty dull if, sitting around waiting for tens of thousands of gallons to be disinfected for like a village. It's very critical, but I thought, well, let's work in that direction. And it was that automation that we then spun off and started to have it be the control system for the hypochlorous.